Friends, this is Satish Rawal and I am going to teach you either or, neither nor. Please mind this, that these words are pronounced in two ways. Some people say either or, neither nor. So don't get confused in pronunciation, right? It's okay to speak whatever you want. I normally use either or, neither nor. So I am going to teach you either or, neither nor. First of all, I would like to tell you that either or refers to singular person. When we talk about two people, we actually talk about one person, one of two people or one of two things or one of two places, something like that. So it refers one of the two things. It's a correlative conjunction and it's considered singular. That means when you use verb with these words, you are using singular verb, has, is, etc. I have written down a few examples. Right, either John or his wife cooks. Either John or his wife cooks. Either John or his wife cooks. That means people speak this language when they are not sure who cooks actually, but it is sure that one of them cooks, right? So either John or his wife cooks. The second example is either my mother or sister will attend the party. Either my mother or sister, that there are two persons who are likely to attend party, but one will go only, that is sure. So either my mother or my sister will attend the party. There is a party, somebody invited us and one person is supposed to attend the party. The next example is I'll either call you or text you. I'll either call you. Here you see I have changed the position of the word. I have written here I'll either call you. So I am using the verb. That's two actions there are, texting and calling. So I am just telling someone I'll either call you or text you. That means I will do one of the things. If I call, I won't text. If I text, I won't call. That is the meaning. The next example is I eat either burger or pizza. Pizza. I eat either burger or pizza, right? So there are two things that I eat, but when I speak this language, I eat either burger or pizza. I mean to say I eat one of the things. I do not eat both the things. Now let me teach you neither nor. It again makes a negative statement actually. It is either or makes a positive statement and this is negative statement. That is the basic thing to learn in this lesson. Whenever you are using either or, actually it's a positive statement, but one person or one thing or one place you are talking about, right? There are two options, but one. Here in neither nor case, it is complete negative sentence. It refers to two people or things. Neither. So one example sentence I would like written here, neither Mohan nor his wife is tall. Means wife and husband both are not tall. This means this. It's a negative statement. Means Mohan is not tall and his wife is not tall. So in one sentence we are using like this, neither Mohan nor his wife is tall. The next example is I neither drink nor smoke. I'm a good person actually, right? So I neither drink nor smoke, means I do none of the things, right? I don't drink, I don't smoke, right? So this is the beauty of conjunction, that in one sentence you can express two things using neither nor. So it gives a sense that I do not drink, I do not smoke, and I neither drink nor smoke. The next example is neither my friend nor my brother has this book. Suppose we are talking about a book and my friend doesn't have that book and my brother also doesn't have that book. So we are making a statement like this, neither my friend nor my brother has this book. The last example is it's neither sunny nor foggy. Sometimes weather is different and weird, right? We are not able to describe the weather also. So what is the sentence here? It's neither sunny nor foggy, because if you say foggy, is totally invisible and you are not able to see the things. When you say sunny, it's a bright sunny day and we can see the things, but sometimes weather is weird and we are not able to decide what weather it is. So in that situation I have written a statement here, it's neither sunny nor foggy. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon if you have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you.